Hello, my name is Kenny. What's on the table is a Sony HT-Z9F. It's a 3.1 channel Dolby Atmos soundbar. It features vertical surround engine, Bluetooth, and also Chromecast built-in. I'm going to show you how to connect your device to this soundbar using the Chromecast built-in function. To do that, you can use the music service button on the soundbar, or you can use the remote control, locate the music service button, press on it, you will get this screen. And after that, use your device and locate the available connected devices. Press on it. By default, this soundbar will be named for HT-Z9F. Press on that. Then your music will be pushed to this soundbar. And now, you are enjoying your music using Chromecast built-in function. The difference between using the Chromecast built-in over the Bluetooth is your music is uninterrupted whether you're playing games, watching YouTube, and simply answering the call. Oh, it's my boss. Yes, boss. Thanks for watching. Use code SOUNDBAR when purchasing on our official Sony online store to be entitled for 2 free MBO cinema vouchers. You can also find out more on our description below. I'll see you next time. Bye!